Hey guys, welcome to Trending 2 friends. My name is Biswa, and in this video I'm going to show you a product which is basically is suitable for your IKEA Antilop. So you know about Antilop. So this is basically a feeding high chair for the babies, and once you have the feeding high chair, you need some type of cushion on the surrounding of the high chair so that your baby can be seated properly. This is made only for the Antilop. So you can I'll open it, and the product name is called as Climbing. So Climbing is designed Jennifer Idriji something, and sorry, made in Vietnam. It is not made in China, it is made in Vietnam. The price is quite high, 1200 1212 rupees, but we got it for 200 rupees, not more than 199 rupees. So let me tell you guys, this is a quite helpful and useful product for you guys. If you have an IKEA Antilop chair for your babies, it will just give a cushioned surface or cushioned cover around the Antilop, and then your baby can be seated properly and get the food intake. Okay, let me quickly open it and show you how to inflate this particular. So you need to inflate it. Basically it has a inflation capability. You can inflate and you can put it on the IKEA Antilop as per your adjustment. Okay, let me quickly open it and show you. So these all are details about the product. You can see the particular photograph as well here, how this will be. So this is the item basically. So it will be fitted like this. If you see the design is similar to the Antilop. So this is the Antilop design, right? Even you can use it in any of the high chair, I feel so. And they have given a suggestion here. If you can see this one, you just need to inflate it. So you just need to open this particular item, and then you have to inflate it. Maybe initially what you need to do, you need to put it inside the cover. So they have given a cover as well, a nice, beautiful and washable cover. So you need to put this inside it, and then you need to inflate it. So let me put it inside. Friends, trust me, it is not that easy to inflate, but it will take some time. See, I inflated, but it is still little bit of inflation happened, but I need to do it completely. It will take some time. So this is the product, and you can place it. It will be like this, guys. You need to place it like this, just around your Antilop chair. Okay, and your baby can sit here. So I hope this product is helpful, and the purchase link will be in the description section. If you want to purchase, you can definitely go ahead and purchase it item. And if you like this video, definitely hit the like button, guys, and thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.